Today we're going to be unboxing the Shrinkfast 998 heat tool kit. Okay, so once you unbox your Shrinkfast 998 heat tool kit, you'll notice all these components that will be in your box. You have your heat tool itself, which puts out roughly 212,000 BTUs. The head of this heat tool can swivel at a 90 degrees and also has a self-cooling head as well. You'll have your regulator that is factory preset at 22 psi. Please note that by adjusting your regulator, you can either, if you have it too low, you can do damage to the internal compartments of your heat tool. If you have it too high, you can also do damage to your heat tool. So it's recommended by the manufacturer just to leave it at 22 psi, which is factory preset. You also have your wrench to attach your regulator to your propane tank and your nozzle, your hose to your heat tool. You have a 25-foot hose that connects to your regulator, thus to your Shrinkfast 998 heat tool gun itself. The 998 heat tool also has a 2-foot, a 4-foot, a 6-foot extension that's available, as well as a 2-foot straight extender. This heat tool comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty.